salmon is moist and rice is kind of like eating ragu, you know. And the onions is not really done. I like it that way though. And you just kind of like get.
Hello, thank you for watching. Today I will be making salmon in tomato sauce. Here I have about a quarter of salmon. I keep the other quarter in the freezer for another later day use. This is from Costco. I think about $20, so it's about half of it. And two large onions, two cloves of garlic, and about 8 or so firm, nice red tomato. Smash your garlic, remove the skin, peel your onion,
So for my onion, I want it a little bit chunky. So I'm just going to cut this in 4 and then in 3 cubed rectangular like this. Oops. But cut it however you want. Whichever way you want. This is just your own preference. This is, oh my god, I'm crying. I learned from this guy the secret of cutting the onion without crying is that he went through and cut the onions real fast. But I cannot talk and cut at the same time. So the onions is done. And now I'm crying. Now I got about 8 of these tomatoes. I love tomatoes. This is gonna be so good. And there's no really scientific here. We want to make the tomato a little bit smaller, so when you cook, it's actually kind of simmer down quicker. So I would cut off on one side, do a really slow motion here. And so when you see this, it's easier to get the tomato core out without having to find it. You know, taking another step. Throw this out. I mean, I want all these juice too. Because it's gonna be so juicy. And when the tomatoes caramelize, it's gonna be so good. There you go. That's a lot of tomatoes. And the cooking is ready. Now it's time to cook. First, turn on high heat. Get the wok super hot. Get you about a tablespoon or two tablespoons of oil. Get out your spoon or spatula, or for me it's chopsticks. In the meantime, when you wait for the wok to get hot, bring out your black pepper, fish sauce. You're gonna need some ketchup, doesn't matter which kind, salt, sugar, and some chicken powder. And it feels pretty hot. So I will turn the heat down a little bit. See that sizzling? Woo. Garlic going, get that smell going, and then get your salmon skin. I don't care which way you're frying it. I'll go with like a medium heat. All I want is to sear the fish. I don't want it to cook all the way through. So I'm gonna do a quick frying, just quick it to be all the way done. Just quickly flip it over. Next, I would go in with all the tomatoes. I add about a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, and about 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, and about 5 dashes of fish sauce. On high heat, 5 to 10 minutes. Let it cook down. Give it a taste. A little salty, a little sweet, a little sour. That's what you want. Some tomatoes, acidities come out, and the sugar and the fish sauce. It's a good time to lick your spoon. Add in about 2 squirts of this, 2 rounds. 1, 2. And the ketchup is really helps this kind of balance it out. Big bubbling right now. I'm going to turn it down to simmer because I don't want to splash all over my face. Let it go for another 5 minutes. You want to place your fish back. Kind of stick it back in there. And then just let it go for another 5 to 10 minutes. So it's been simmering for about 15 to 20 minutes. And you can see that this thickest piece is kind of like opaque now. And it's pretty done. So I'm gonna throw in the onion. If you like the onion to be a little bit crunchy, then take it out. You can actually turn off the heat now. Or you want it to be a little softer and translucent, you can leave it on maybe for another, couple of minutes, 5 minutes or whatever. However long you like your onions to be. So I think I'm going to turn off the heat after I submerge all these onions into the juice. So I have some white steamed rice here, and let me show you how yummy this is. Like a small piece right here, I think it's the tail. A little onion. Crunchy. A little sauce. That is yummy. Salmon is moist, and rice is kind of like eating ragu, and the onions is not really done. I like it that way though, and you just kind of like get a scoop. I'm gonna have to get another one. Oh, it's hot. The balance of the fish, soft, it's not too fishy. Crunchy onion, a little salt, a little sweet. Tomato. This is good. It's not too salty. This is pretty good for lunch or dinner. All you gotta do is come back from work and get you some rice cooked and heat up, your salmon, and it won't be dry because The salmon is braised in this tomato sauce. It's very soft and moist. So, there you have the whole dinner ready every time you come back from work, and the whole batch is already cooked. So this is what I do for weekend. Today is Sunday, and I would do this whole batch for the whole weekday. And in the afternoon when I come in late, I already know my salmon is ready, my dinner is ready, and it's healthy. My whole family can eat it. My kids absolutely love this tomato sauce. It will get them going like crazy. And all you gotta do is put in your rice when you get in. Put your rice in the rice cooker. Hit the buttons. Ready to go. Go upstairs. Shower your kids, whatever. And your rice is ready. By the time you get down here, rice is hot and ready. And all you gotta do is put this salmon in. Is this your favorite? Yeah. You wanna try? Like, she likes this stuff a lot, and it's hot. Try this.
Welcome again
Try this.
to October 6th.
October 6th? Yeah. Is it hot? What's it taste like? Tell me what you think. What do you taste? Salty, sweet, sour?
Sauce.
Sauce? That tomato sauce is what gets her going.
And warm.
Huh?
And warm.
Warm? Yeah. Yeah, warm. Yeah. And that's a good way to get the kids to eat, vegetables and fish. I tell you, whatever it takes, and these girls, my kids eat it. I would go extra 1,000 miles to get them to eat it. Well, this is too hot. Too hot. I hope it helps you out. Make your dinner easy and healthy. And I mean, this fish was like a $20 or $22, and I only cooked half of it. I mean, a couple of onions. How much is that? A box of tomato. I think I used about 8. I say about $5, worth of tomatoes, and $10 of fish, and a couple of onions. Total all in all could be like about $20, maybe $30 with my effort. The electricity and all. But it feeds the whole family of 4, and I tell you, my husband, he can eat. And it turned out it's still gonna be cheap. I mean, this is like for the whole week. So, oh my gosh, you want small? Yeah. So this is like for the whole week. So I'm worry free. I come home without having to worry about what's for dinner, and my husband comes in earlier than me. He can just go get some rice and get some of these food. I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and he just heat it up. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. We got everybody ready for dinner, and it looks like gourmet too. So I hope this recipe is very easy for you to make, and it's delicious. And it's delicious, and I hope that you give this a try. And if you like this recipe, just give it a thumbs up. Let me know, because I want to cook some more food. And thanks for watching. Bye bye. This is like a sauce.